tennis star Novak Djokovic gave donation to Italians for fight against coronavirus crisis.
Novak Djokovic and his wife Jelena are donating €1 million to buy ventilators and other medical equipment to fight coronavirus in Serbia.
The Serbian tennis star had recently donated towards Nadal's fund to fight against coronavirus.
Novak Djokovic has called on the tennis world to contribute to a relief fund for players struggling financially during the coronavirus shutdown.
Novak Djokovic is the only top player to make COVID-19 donations in 3 different countries.
World number 1 has donated most modern CT scanners to help speed up diagnosis of COVID patients in Serbia.
Djokovic has organized a vaccination drive at the Serbian Open for tennis players to get vaccinated for free.
There were some devastating things that started 2020 with huge bushfires here in Australia, conflicts in some parts of the world, people dying every day.
World number 1 has more things to do than, do some player union or something like that. Not a player union, but the association. And he's a world number 1. He has made enough money. He doesn't need to worry about that. He doesn't need to worry about anything, but he does. He does worry about the well-being of other players. He does worry about the wealth of our sport and stuff like that. So I think I have to give a lot of credit to him for taking the time and doing these things, because in his position, to be honest, he doesn't need to. He just simply doesn't need to. He can relax and not do anything and he'll be just fine, but he cares about other players, which is great, I think.
You got practice today or a match? Match. Good luck. Be rooting for you.
How is life?
Good. Not bad. Not bad.
Yeah, used to all this.
Yeah. Standing here 14 hours. Yeah.
You get a chance to sit there.
Oh, of course. Yeah, we got a break.